Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do a nose tailbone in two ways. So the first way is just going down with your right analog and then clicking on the trigger on the right, but sometimes it gets grail, so there's a solution how to fix that. So probably you have a controller drift, like analog stick drift, so there's no solution to fix that, but you can do with L2. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do nose tailbone. Hold L2 and R2. So let's try it again. Sometimes it does rocket here, but you need to be fast. And as you can see, nose tailbone. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you and see you in the next one.